way! Looking for a bite to eat?
Yeah, no, your shop is in the way of the new extension to the Lego City train. I'm serving you notice to close up your pretty little shops and move out.
I heard that! No way! Take your stupid train and go another way. Lego City needs good shops like mine. I'm not moving. Go away, you rude little man. Go and bother someone else.
Playing tough, eh? Well, let's just say I warned you. And tell your little friend next door that they need to move out as well. Time to move, girlies. You know there's rules in this town that you girls need to know about. Yeah, anyway, have a nice day, my pretty little friend.
Did you hear from that weird Lego City guy about a train?
Yeah, don't worry. No one's going to drive a train through our shop. They're too tricky.
Hey boss, these shops are in the way of us laying our tracks. You got any ideas of moving them on?
Okay, boys, finish up here and let me deal with this from here on. It's showtime. Yeah, it's pretty hard to keep your eyes off a train wreck. I'm pretty sure I've got the line cleared. Okay, boys, you can start laying your track again. Those shops are gone. You know, them girls have got to remember who's calling the shots in this city.
It was just a nightmare. What's the time is it? Oh.
It's 9:15. Time to have a bath.
What do you mean? We're already clean.
Scrub, scrub, scrub till the water's brown.
Oh well, back to shopping.
Shop, 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 shop.